So this week, ivy, Hedera helix. Often we use things like Virginia creeper, Boston ivy, Persian ivy. Hasn't evolved with our native insects, which have grown relationships alongside them. So when it comes to climbing plants, if you want an evergreen climber which supports 106 phytophagous, larval and other plant-eating insects, 100 pollinators, 206 insects in total, not to mention birds and bats, and a hibernating space for insects, and a protection and a nesting space, and food for birds over winter. It does so much. Ivy, Hedera helix is really just number one when it comes to wildlife.